What if the universe itself had an eye, watching us? What if, across 17 million light-years of empty space, a single galaxy looked back at Earth with an unblinking cosmic stare? Why does this galaxy look like it's spying on us? And even stranger, why does it spin in two opposite directions at the same time? Today, we're diving into the mystery of the so-called Evil Eye Galaxy, also known as Messier 64. At first glance, it looks like pure science fiction, an eye of darkness staring out from deep space. But behind its sinister beauty lies a story of galactic violence, cosmic collisions, and the birth of new stars. Welcome to Astroracle, where we explore the vast universe together. Messier 64, the Evil Eye Galaxy, lives in the constellation Coma Berenices, about 17 million light-years away. To the naked eye, it's just a faint smudge in the sky. But with powerful telescopes, it becomes unforgettable. Its bright nucleus, half hidden behind a dark, dusty band of material, makes it look like a giant eye, glaring across the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope's images of M64 made it famous. The luminous core, the black streak cutting across it, and the feeling that this galaxy is watching. But M64 isn't just photogenic, it's scientifically bizarre, because inside that eye, something deeply unnatural is happening. Most spiral galaxies behave like a cosmic whirlpool. All their stars and gas rotate in the same general direction. But the Evil Eye Galaxy breaks the rules. Inside M64, the inner disk of stars and gas spins one way, while the outer disk of hydrogen gas spins the other. Two massive layers of material, locked in opposite motion. Astronomers call this counter-rotation, and it's incredibly rare. Imagine driving down a highway where one set of lanes flows east, while the other flows west, colliding in a never-ending traffic jam. That's what's happening in this galaxy, except instead of cars, it's vast clouds of gas, tens of thousands of light-years wide. So how did this cosmic chaos begin? Astronomers believe the Evil Eye Galaxy wasn't always this way. About 1 billion years ago, M64 swallowed a smaller, gas-rich galaxy. That doomed system orbited in the opposite direction and was eventually torn apart. Its gas was absorbed into M64, but retained its original spin, counter to the stars and inner disk already in place. The result: two massive disks orbiting in opposite directions. This galactic cannibalism didn't just distort M64's structure, it set the stage for something even more spectacular. At the boundary where these two disks collide, something extraordinary happens: star formation. The outer gas, spinning one way, slams into the inner disk, moving the other. When gas clouds collide at such high speeds, they compress, triggering gravitational collapse. That collapse ignites the birth of new stars. This is why the dust lane, the so-called Evil Eye, glows with bright young blue stars. What looks eerie and sinister is actually a stellar nursery, powered by the violent clash of counter-rotating gas. So the eye of this galaxy isn't just staring, it's alive, constantly birthing stars from cosmic conflict. The Evil Eye Galaxy isn't just a curiosity, it's a laboratory for understanding galactic evolution. Galaxy mergers. M64 is living proof of how galaxies consume smaller neighbors, reshaping themselves in the process. Dynamics of rotation. Its counter-rotating disks reveal how angular momentum, the cosmic law of spin, can be rewritten by collisions. Star formation under pressure. By studying the regions where gas clouds collide, astronomers learn how starbursts light up galaxies after violent interactions. In other words, M64 helps us understand the rules of cosmic survival: eat or be eaten, collide or adapt. It's not just science that makes the Evil Eye Galaxy unforgettable, it's also its haunting beauty. When NASA released Hubble's detailed images, the public gave it its now famous name, the Evil Eye Galaxy. Its dark band of dust, like heavy eyeliner, gave the unmistakable impression of a staring eye. Some even call it the Black Eye Galaxy. There's something about the image that speaks to us on a deeper level. Ancient cultures often feared the evil eye, a curse delivered through a hostile gaze. And here, floating in the depths of the universe, is a galaxy that looks like a cosmic eye itself. It's a reminder that space is not just a scientific frontier, it's also a canvas for human imagination. M64 may look stable, but it's far from peaceful. Over the next billions of years, the counter-rotating disks will keep grinding against each other. Slowly, the gas will settle, and the star formation will taper off. In time, the Evil Eye Galaxy will smooth itself out, its chaotic youth hidden behind a calm exterior. But right now, we're witnessing it in a unique phase of its life cycle, a galaxy both devouring and creating, violent and beautiful. It's like catching the universe mid-sentence, an unfinished story still unfolding. So why does this galaxy look like it's spying on us? Because its dark dust lane, formed by ancient collision debris, cuts across its glowing nucleus like a shadowed eyelid. And inside that eye is the story of a billion-year-old galactic battle that still rages today. The Evil Eye Galaxy is more than a creepy cosmic image. It's a reminder that galaxies are alive with history, shaped by violence, and fueled by creation. Every spiral, every starburst, every eerie dust lane tells us something about how the universe builds itself. And maybe, just maybe, we see ourselves reflected in that cosmic stare. Because like M64, we too are the product of collisions, chaos, and rebirth. The universe is filled with strange and beautiful mysteries, like the Evil Eye Galaxy, a cosmic reminder that chaos and creation often go hand in hand. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video, share it with a friend who loves space, and subscribe to Astroracle for more deep dives into the cosmos. After all, the universe is watching, so why not watch back?